What is going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. I wanted to talk to you guys today about Lordstown Motors. A lot of you guys have been talking about it and wanting to know what the deal has been with it because it has been a rough couple of months for ride stock. The stock is down about 15.9%, but in the past month especially down about 33%. Now, I remember watching the stock a while ago last year, and I remember watching the stock literally be up in the upper 20s at one point and even hit $31.40 at one point, but the stock reported earnings and the stock actually is up despite posting not so good earnings because of the fact that they have a ton of cash on hand. If we go ahead and look at it, they did a loss of 61 cents per share. Analysts are expecting them to lose 49 cents per share, so obviously that is not good. But one of the things that really stood out was how much cash they had on hand. They ended the quarter with $366 million in cash on hand, which is huge for the company because the cash outlook is really all that matters for the company. They're trying to put out their electric pickup truck very soon, and the cash on hand is going to be huge because it's going to decide if they need to do dilution or not. So their cash burn implies that they're burning about $116 million, which is down roughly from the $220 million consumed in the second quarter of last year. So that's pretty good. They're working on their pickup truck, and one of the great things about it is that this pickup truck can be huge with their rival electric vehicle maker, Arrival, that is reporting earnings on Thursday. So this is huge for the company. I think that this is actually a pretty good time to get into this stock. I think it has been just absolutely destroyed, beaten down so badly, and I think selling options on this could be a great way to make some money. Implied volatility is huge right now, and even if you sell a $5 call, you're getting paid $20 per, which is really, really good. That's a really good price. You can even be a little more risky and do a $6 call and get 70 cents per, which if you're a little more bullish, that's what I would personally do. But again, you look at that break-even price, $4.80. You want to pick up, 1,000 shares of this, for only $5,000. Why not get paid for it? Why not go over here, put this in, and do 10 contracts of it and get paid $200 to buy $5,000 worth of ride at a much lower price, or go here and sell one for $6 price and get $700 to pick it up at $6 a share. So I personally think that's pretty good. It's over a 10% return on investment, which is pretty good. And, again, the stock has been beaten down very badly, and I do expect good. The production is coming, as they say. They do think that it's going to start next month with the initial deliveries coming in Q1 of their electric pickup truck, which, again, if that happens, will be really good. And I like that the company affirmed that in their call. So, again, mainly going to be looking at the cash flow for this company, and they do have a lot of cash on hand. So, it shows they have some liquidity and they have some capital to use, and I could see this stock doing very, very well in the future. Again, trading at a very low valuation as well, $1.85 billion market cap. That's pretty low compared to some of the other companies out there. And again, just how much this company has fallen, it could be a good time to get into it, especially for a long-term play. And after hours, it's really starting to pick up right now, up to almost $6 a share. I thought I'd just brief you guys on that because there's a lot in store for Lordstown, and I think that their fleet of electric trucks for sale is going to be something that's very, very good. And again, on basically every single metric, the stock is down a lot. Not the lowest it's been. Obviously, it was at about 540 at one point, but it is up in after hours. But again, this stock is trading ridiculously low from where it was. Again, a $30 stock at one point, now trading at $5.85. But again, use this, really think about it. I think that this could be a good opportunity for long term. I would read these articles. You can find them. They really go into more depth about the company and their capital that they're raising, because they have had to raise some capital, and their battery line is fully commissioned, which is pretty awesome as well. And they're evaluating strategic partners as well for their big plant that they're trying to make as well for their electric vehicles. So again, watch it. The earnings weren't too good, but their outlook does look pretty good, and their cash on hand is very, very good as well. So look at these things and make that decision if you think ride is a good opportunity, if you want to ride it up. No pun intended. But anyways, guys, I want to know your thoughts. Either come in the Discord, totally free, and talk with me about it. Leave a comment and let me know. But, Lordstown Motors, it's a trending stock right now. And again, they always say be greedy when others are fearful. This is a perfect time because people are very fearful of this company right now. But if it turns out to be a success, it will be a massive success. So anyways, guys, have a wonderful day. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.